Hello everyone, after installing Minecraft Java Edition, many users see a subscription error. Don't worry, we will fix it quickly in this video. This issue usually happens when you are not signed in with the correct Microsoft account or your subscription like Xbox Game Pass is not active. First log out and sign back in with the right account. Then check if your subscription is still valid. If you are trying to use Minecraft for free, keep in mind that the full version requires a valid purchase or active subscription. However, you can try the official demo version instead. Follow this step in this video to solve the problem fast and get back to playing. First, uninstall your old Minecraft launcher from your computer. Then open the Microsoft Store and search for Minecraft. Install the latest Minecraft launcher from here. After installing, click play. The launcher may be updated, just wait a few moments. Next, click sign in with Microsoft, then press let's go and log in with your account. Then click let's go. Once login in Minecraft Java Edition, we'll start downloading. Wait until you finish. If you don't have a subscription, click demo mode. Then click play demo world and continue playing. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.